I'm Jess Hinshaw.
And I'm Andrea Fisk. We're the founders of Shapeless Studio, an architecture and interiors firm based in Brooklyn. We focus on natural materials and thoughtful details to create spaces that are simple, elegant, and organized.
We often do historic renovations with period details, but this project was so fun because we got to completely rethink the space. And we're excited to share the space with you today.
This building was originally part of the Hotel St. George complex, which was one of the largest hotels in New York City.
Our clients wanted to combine two apartments. They wanted to create a light, airy, central family space with private nooks for everyone.
We wanted walking through the front door of the apartment to have a dramatic effect, so we enveloped the space in a dark blue paint. We used a dark blue linoleum to match for the floor, and some high contrast pieces in the entrance space.
Transitioning from the dark entryway to the kitchen is one of our favorite moments. The main living space encompasses the kitchen, dining room, and living room.
We tried to create a sense of calm in these spaces by using natural materials wherever we can.
The kitchen is a deep navy blue, which ties into the entryway. On the wall behind, we used a speckled plaster, which has a really deep and rich texture. We specified a thin porcelain sconce, which at night gives a really soft, subtle glow. On the adjacent wall, we wanted the pantry, fridge, and appliances to recede into the architecture. In order to do this, we used a light-colored cabinet, a color that would really blend into the paint color throughout. We really wanted to create a calm, quiet environment where you could both have a functional kitchen and also have a nice space.
The central dining space is really the heart of the home. We created a custom dining table made out of the same stone that we actually used in the primary bathroom. The base is made out of wood, and then poking through the top of the stone tabletop, there's actually this triangular detail which holds the stone in place. This is actually a detail that we repeat in different ways throughout the apartment.
We're on the 6th floor, we get a lot of light. Because of that, we position the living room adjacent to the windows.
And we put a long bench up by the windows to take advantage of that.
This is a 2-bedroom apartment. There's the daughter suite and the principal suite. We used the same door for the daughter's main suite as the family room.
We wanted to create a little bit of privacy for this first entrance area into her suite. This is her playroom. We have a built-in daybed.
Then we enter the daughter's bedroom. In this space, we use a fun wallpaper, and we also have the same integrated pull detail. We designed a playful bathroom for the daughter. We have a terrazzo slab on the floor, tub deck, and sink. We think the white plumbing fixtures add a lighthearted, nice feel.
For the principal suite, we really wanted to create a space that was private from the rest of the apartment, feels luxurious, and has enough storage for everything that they might need. The goal for the primary bedroom was really to just make it feel calm and restful, so we kept it simple.
The closet features the same integrated pull throughout. We designed a closet with a nice warm white oak. We also sourced a really lovely light which can turn and either illuminate your face or the wall depending on how you're preparing your makeup. Across from the shower is a double vanity. Again, in the vanity you can see the same integrated triangle detail throughout. We really like to be consistent in order to tie all the spaces together.
It's a real pleasure to get to work with clients who get excited about design.
For us, that's what architecture is all about. Natural materials, thoughtful detail, and making each space unique.
Thanks for taking a look with us.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?